In America, we're the only country in the world left with the civil trial by jury. Anybody who's in a car wreck or medical malpractice victim, your ultimate remedy, if you cannot resolve the case with the wrongdoer, is a trial, and it's a jury trial. And that's what we specialize in. We represent people who have been wronged by the misconduct of others. It can be a corporation, it can be another person. So anything from auto crashes, truck crashes, people who have been victims of medical malpractice, nursing home neglect, people who've been injured on the property of others, anybody who's been wronged by the misconduct of somebody else, those are our clients. We're going to get to know you like no other law firm will. We're going to get to know your case like no other law firm will. We're going to get to know your family, your needs. We're going to get to know how you've been affected. And as a result, we're going to achieve the best possible outcome in your particular case.
This guy come across the media and hit me head on. My truck drove over the top of him and went over on its side. When I woke up, all I could see is the pool of blood on the bottom of the street. The accident, I had a traumatic brain injury. It affected my memory. It affected the way my speech is, and makes you feel like you're inadequate, that you're not what you used to be. I knew I needed an attorney when my insurance company wouldn't help me. Mr. Greer come to my house and see where I lived at and see my farm. He just wanted to know where I come from and how this would affect my life. So you could tell he cared. Mr. Greer is very sensitive, very professional. What stood out the most, that he actually cared. You can trust him. That's why I would recommend him, because he knows how to defend his clients. I would recommend them because they're very professional and they know what they're doing.
I don't think I'm going out on a limb to say that personal injury lawyers in general don't have a very good reputation. So part of my hope in meeting clients is that they see somebody that's the exception to the rule. My philosophy as a lawyer is to do my personal best, make my firm the best it can possibly be, and to improve day after day, year after year. When people come into this office, I want them to immediately feel welcomed and like they're at home and know that they're going to be taken care of.